Liver. Liver is the largest gland in human body and which is located on opposite side of the stomach. In our abdominal cavity, it is appeared on right side of the body and which exhibits reddish brownish color which possess and consists tubular structures opens into duodenum, the starting point of a small intestine, continue from the stomach. Here internally the duct which gives rise open into duodenum and also the green colored part internal ball like arrangement in liver is called gallbladder. This gallbladder secretes bile juice. The liver consists ball-like structure internally that is called gallbladder secretes bile juice. That bile juice consists two pigments named as bilirubin, yellowish in color, biliverdin, greenish in color. There is no enzymatic secretion appear in the liver. There is no enzyme in liver juice. Only the two pigments are present. One is bilirubin, yellowish in color. Another one is biliverdin, greenish color. And along with that, bile salts are present. One is sodium glucolate and sodium tarcholate. The purpose of these bile juice and bile salts are, first of all, the food which is digested in the stomach, partly digested food in the stomach is called chyme, chyme, chyme. That chyme which consists the acidic nature because of involvement of HCl secretion inside the stomach. So that acidic natured food after entering into starting point of small intestine that is duodenum, it becomes neutralized because of bile juice and bile salts. The bile salts also participate to simplify the fat. Simplification of fat is done by the bile salts. The fat, large fat globules because of bile salts convert into simple fat globules. Huge fat globules convert into simple fat globules due to bile salts. So that condition is named as emulsification. Emulsification is the process, the conversion of large fat globules into simple fat globules because of bile salts. And these simplification of fat is done because of bile juice and bile salts. And below the stomach there is another gland that is called pancreas. Pancreas acts both like a endocrine gland and exocrine gland. That is the reason it is called as mixed gland. Only the mixed gland seen in human body is pancreas. In the digestive system, only the excretory exocrine gland is participate to digest the food material. The pancreas which delivers the juice is named as pancreatic juice. This pancreatic juice releases three varieties of enzymes. One is pancreatic amylase. Pancreatic amylase. Second one, trypsin. 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 Third one, lipase. So pancreatic juice delivers three enzymatic secretions are named as pancreatic amylase, pancreatic trypsin and pancreatic lipase. The pancreatic amylase converts the starch into simple sugars and trypsin converts the proteins, peptones into peptides. Means simplification of proteins is done. And lipase, emulsified fats The emulsification process is done by bile salts, and the emulsified fats resimplified into fatty acids and glycerol by the lipase, the third type of enzyme delivered by the pancreas.